Hi everyone, Presh Bay. Welcome to Presh Forex Academy. So today I'll be teaching you guys market structure strategy, right? If you've gone through my previous video, I've explained what market structure is, right? We all know we have three types of market structure. The trending, under the trending, we have uptrend and downtrend. We have the ranging, we have the choppy, right? And I've told you guys that in an uptrend market, you look for buying opportunities. In a downtrend, you look for selling. In a choppy, you run away. In a ranging, you look for buying and selling. True or false, right? If you've not, go back to my previous YouTube and watch them, right? So today, I want to teach you how to trade them, how to actually trade them. Because it's not about when you see uptrend, you buy. When you see downtrend, you sell. Because if you go to the marketplace to buy something, right? Let's assume you go to the marketplace by 2 a.m. to buy pepper. Would you see pepper? No, you will not be able to buy pepper. Now, are you at the wrong place? No, you are actually at the right place, but you went there at the wrong time. So imagine you buy at the wrong time. Your analysis might be correct, but when to buy matters a whole lot. So now let's go. So now, looking at this clearly, right, I'm sure you guys can see that this is an uptrend market. We're talking about gold, right? So I'm sure you guys can see that this is an uptrend market, right? Because it is obviously creating series of what? Higher highs and higher lows. Now, first things first, what opportunity am I looking out for? Because this is an uptrend market, I'm looking out for buy opportunities. Now, the question is, will I just start buying? No. When to buy matters a whole lot. Am I making sense, guys? So looking at this, let's see. So you can see the market is creating a series of what? Higher highs and higher lows. So where is the last higher low? If you check well, you can see that this is the last higher low. This is the last higher low. Now let me give you guys a strategy that you will not see anywhere. All right? Now, for you to tag a higher high, there must be a corresponding higher low. For you to tag a higher high, there must be a corresponding higher low. Look at this now. Hold on, let me show you guys. This is something you will not see anywhere. It's actually for my exclusive students, but I'm just giving it out here for free. So appreciate me for that, yeah? So looking at this, right? You can see I can tag this higher high. Why? Because I have a corresponding higher low. Are you with me? Now, this is not higher high, obviously, because this is not higher than the previous high. So I can't tag this higher high yet. Are you with me? So now, let's do something. Let's do something. Hold on. You can see the market has been doing something. Let me just start from here. Went up, gave me higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, it came back again to give me, will I call this higher low? Yes, I can actually call this higher low because it's still almost equal, right? Now, is there a new higher high? No, not yet. So what do you need to do now? Okay, that's what I'm about to teach you. Now, I want to teach you how to trade market structure strategy like a pro. Looking at this now, first things first, I'm going to take this off because that's not the bone of contention here, right? I know that this is my last higher low. Then there's liquidity here. I use horizontal line to spot my liquidity. There's also liquidity here. And I can do this. So look at something now. This market created higher high here, came down to create higher low, went up to create what? Higher high, came back again to create higher low after liquidity grab. Now the market is going up, going up. I would not call this higher low because there is no corresponding higher high. You can see it's still equal. It's still somewhere around here. So there's no corresponding higher high. So I can't call this higher low. So apparently, where is my major higher low? This is my major higher low. So what am I expecting from this market? I'm expecting that this market will do this. I'm expecting that the market will do this. Sorry guys. Come back to this point. Then get to this point. Right? Because the market might actually come back all the way to this point before it now starts going up, right? So now let's now assume you don't know how market structure works. Like I said, take note. For you to tag a higher low, for you to tag a higher high, there must be a corresponding higher low. That's for uptrend. Then for downtrend, for you to tag a lower low, there must be a corresponding lower high. So looking at this now, you can see there's no breach of rule yet. There's no breach of rule because apparently this is my last lower higher low. This is not my last higher low. That is wrong. Let me tag it. This is not correct. This is not my last higher low, right? This is my proper higher low. So for SMC traders, there's liquidity here. Hold on. There's liquidity here, and there's also liquidity here. So now what are you looking out for? You're looking out for the market to break this, come back to this point, then all the way. Regardless, is the market still following your market structure? Yes. Because if you don't know about this, you would have tagged this higher low. But no, you can't tag a higher low when there's no corresponding higher high. So in that note, this is wrong. This is not higher low. This is just a liquidity area. Do you understand? So break of this area back to this point, you get a buy opportunity from there. So regardless, you can see that the market is still creating series of what? Higher highs and higher lows. So now let me save this. Let's look for another example. Let's say GBP USD or Euro USD, anyone. Let's say Euro USD. So look at this now. Like I tell you guys, first things first, what do? When you open your chart, what's the first thing you do? You look out for market structure, right? So looking at this, you can obviously see that the market is in a downtrend because it is creating series of what? Lower highs and lower lows. So now let's go. Where is my last lower low? Let's figure that out. Looking at this, you can see the market came here, lower high, lower low, lower high. Can I tag this a lower high? Yes, because there's a corresponding lower low. Came down, lower high, lower low. Can I tag this a lower high? Yes, because there's a what? Corresponding lower low. So apparently the question is, where is my last lower high? This is my last lower high. At this point here, this is my last lower high. So now, whatever the market is doing, the market must not break that last lower high, because if the market breaks that last lower high, it means structure has changed. Are you with me, guys? There's a change of character. Change of character is when the market changes from one direction to the other. You can visit my previous YouTube channel, my YouTube videos. We've treated that earlier, right? So now, after break, what are you looking out for? You are looking at the market is likely to do this. Hold on. The market is likely to do this. Where's my map? Now, it has broken past this last lower high. Not a complete break yet, but let's see how it goes. But the market is likely to do this. Come fill up this. Either it comes here to give you a W pattern, or it comes back to this point to fill up this inefficiency. Are you with me? To fill up this inefficiency, then react from this point. Look at this area. Look at this area. You could just come here, react from here. So long story short, what am I trying to say? After change of character, the market will likely come back to fill up the inefficiency, or come back to the other block that led to that change of character before it now continues going in that direction, change of direction. Do you understand? So when the market creates a BOS, after BOS, what do you need to do? Wait for the market to come back to the other block that led to that BOS, or fill up the FVG gap. You might not understand, right? So I might do like series of other videos for you to understand how it works, right? So what am I trying to do? I'm trying to combine retail strategy and SMC. That's what I trade, right? So what are you trying to do? You're trying to wait for the market to do what? Come here, either give you W pattern or come back to fill up this inefficiency here. Then you look out for buying opportunities because there's likely to be a change of direction. And now look at this. There's a trend line here. So the market is likely to go back to this point. Easy peasy, no stress, right? As a pro trader, you don't need drama in your chart. You don't need too much drama. Make it look very simple. Yeah. So that's that for that, right? So in my next video, I'll be talking about market orders, right? So you know how to take your trade, either market execution or pending orders. So watch out. Don't forget, you know how we do it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.